doon. Kung masusunod dito ngayon, reklamo niya lang ako.
Gusto niya kausapin para lang maklaro.
Sino? Walang mas mataas sa akin. Ako na ang commander dito. Sir na ako, sir.
Direksyonin niya po sa aeroplano.
Yes. Okay, sir. Your lawyers are witnesses. You can always file.
You have to kill me.
It's not our intention.
You have to kill me to bring me to Hague.
It's not our intention, sir. It's not our intention. It's not our intention, sir. Please,
Sir, di ba siya po yung talaga?
you know that it's not your duty. Okay?
Bakit naman siya?
It's not your duty.
Alalayan lang si